Hey everyone, it is Sue here. I wanted to do a quick um, unboxing. I don't know if unboxing is the right word. I got some happy mail. I had purchased off of Instagram, which I'm finding I buy a lot from Instagram, which isn't good. But anyway, so Webster's Pages was having a warehouse sale, and they had two different packages, so to speak. They had a paper package that you could buy, and they had an embellishment package that you could buy. So, you don't know what you're getting. You're getting a whole box of stuff, right? So for $25, and I forget what the value was of this for $25. I forget exactly what it was. But if you look at the size of this box, I mean, it's not huge, but it is. What size is this? I don't know. I don't know the size. But anyways, it's quite deep and it is full. So we're just going to go through here and let's see what they sent to me. So this is a total surprise. Let's see. I was like, for $25, and I love Webster's Pages. I just love Webster's Pages. So, all right. Oh, look at this. Oh, how stinking cute. So, these are these straws, paper straws. Oh my gosh. I know right off the bat, I'm using this for a design team project for Rita Barracat for February or January, actually January, which I have to record soon, believe it or not. But anyway, super cute. Love, love. Oh, look at how pretty. For Christmas, this is going into my December daily. I didn't even know Webster's Pages had anything like this. Oh, this may have to go on my cover. This is going to go on my cover, I think, of my December daily. Oh my gosh. We have the cutest little paper clips. Oh my gosh. We have a Christmas tree, and is that a bow? I think that's a bow. Really? Really? Oh my gosh. December daily. The cute little arrow paper clips. Cute. I love paper clips. Oops, this one's open a little bit. I absolutely love paper clips. I buy them at Tuesday morning all the time. I'm addicted to them. Look super cute. A little fabric flowers. Super cute. Super cute. I like that they're so flat. They're not very dimensional, which is good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is why I love Webster's Pages so much, is because of their traveler's notebook. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that I got these. I don't think I have either one of these covers. So two of the traveler's notebooks of Webster's Pages, use them all the time. I use them for many different things, definitely my Psalm videos. Look at how cute, little chipboard buttons. Let me hold it up close so you can see. Oh my gosh, I think these are going to make it into my traveler's notebooks as I go through the book of Psalms. Oh, look at how cute. Oh, this one even has some like paper twine to it. Ah, nice, 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 nice. Fun. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So we have a 24-piece paper pad. It's called A New Day. Whoops. I don't know that. Well, I'm not going to try to open it because I'll rip it. But you can see the colors. Super cute. Super cute. You are wonderful. Look at that. Oh, I like that. Oh, love, love. Oh, I mean, these are also great for my Psalm Traveler's Notebook. Super cute. Oh, and look at the pink. This actually will go very well with my December daily. The pink the green, the gray. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute. I'm going to put this with my December daily stuff. And oh gosh, I used to buy these things all the time. But look at this. Christmas. Oh, another Christmas one. Oh my gosh. This box is like a gold mine. Oh wow. This brings back memories to me of when I used to do Project Life. Oh, look at all of these. Another Christmas one. So these are little stickers, if you didn't know. I don't think I actually said that. Look at, oh my gosh. Unbelievable. And then this one is not Christmas related. But like that would go. Oh my gosh. Okay. So there's those. More bling. You know where this is going. You know, it's going to go into my December daily, or maybe I'll use it on my January design team project. The wheels are a turning. What are these? They almost look like they're edible, but they're not. Oh, these are beautiful, and these can go on so many different things. Think about a canvas, right? Oh, it says New Year, New You. Oh my gosh, super cute. And then there's floral ones. Very nice. Oh my gosh, there's stuff crammed everywhere. Some little flowers. Look at how cute they are. So they're like a hard plastic. Oh, and look at, oh my gosh. Who knew? I had no idea it was going to be so heavy as far as Christmas goes. Really? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at, love, love, love. I love my enamel dots. Love them. Oh, and here's another set of these. I wish I knew what these were called. This one says always believe. Oh, they all say always believe. Well, I'll be doing a lot of believing. Oh, here's a paper clip that fell out before. What is this? So this is, oh, here's a couple more little paper clips. So this is like a lot for $25, right? So what is this? Let's see. What is this? Oh my gosh. It is a traveler's notebook case with a pineapple on it. Well, you know what? You could put traveler's notebook in here. You could put pens. You could put paintbrushes. You can put stickers. You could put enamel dots. You could put anything in there. Oh my goodness. Can you believe this? For $25. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So I am very happy with this. I'm super happy that there was so much Christmas in it. And I'm even more super happy that I got 2 Webster's Pages Traveler's Notebooks. Yeah, I'm a happy camper. So I just wanted to come on and share. I'm home today. I have a day off and this just was delivered. So I'm like, all right, let me do a quick little video. All right, well, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye. God bless.